First, move the crosshair, which is also the needle of your machine, to the top left corner. Select Area, select To Corner, move the crosshair down to the bottom right now, and select To Corner. Then refresh the screen. And change the width and height to 15 by 10 inches. And make sure to move the crosshair into the square so when it refreshes again, it will be bigger. Now go to File and Design, Open and Continuous Lines. Find the flower pots and select Open. Now make sure the pointer or selection tool is selected and take the flower pots and drag them into the area. Press Refresh, then go to Modify, Resize. Lock this size in by pressing Lock on the right side and enlarge it greatly. Then reposition it so just the middle flower pot fits in the center. Now that that's finished, go to Pro Stitcher, New Start and End, then move the crosshair to where the new start will be. Then select Auto twice near the top right corner under Start, which will create a green target at the new start point. Now move the crosshair to where the new end will be and select Auto twice under the End tab. So now there's a start, end, and end point. Next, go up to Modify and then Crop, and go over to the right where it says Start and End so that it crops everything from before the start and after the end. Finally, go up to Pro Stitcher, Quilt, and start quilting it.